can see there. So, I'm making a video about sculpting with Play-Doh. So, I'm just going to show the colors. There's green, orange, pink, and yellow. Move those over to the side. And if you guys like this video, just tell me. And if you leave stuff in the comment section below about stuff you want me to sculpt next time if I make another video, or if you want me to, well, how about this? If we hit at least 20 views on this video, I will sculpt anything you want in the comment section below if you leave it down here. Okay, so I'm going to have to make up these, so I'm going to make the sun. It's going to be easy. I need to put that right there. Right there. I need to change the angle of this. No, there it is. Okay, so I'm going to... I'll use some of this stuff to help. God, this is hard. The sun. You guys see the sun rolling? Whee! Whee! Here, guys. I'll go back here. I'm sitting at the dinner table, by the way. Don't mind that McDonald's wrapper. So you see this sun. You need to make it smoother. Yeet! Yeet! How do I make this flat? I don't know. Oh, I know. Make it flat right there. I'm making logic, guys. There's my square sun. Here it is. It's done now. Okay, so I'm gonna put that away. Next, I am gonna make a person. That's my brother back there.
Huh?
Talking to my mom. And so I'm gonna get this, and I'm gonna make a person. You see it? Ah! Okay, so guys, need to make this. Okay, I got other tools to prepare my hands. There's my brother.